We're exploring the amazing world inside you today.
Did you know you've got billions of super busy, tiny factories running inside almost every single cell?
Let's jump right into this explainer and see exactly how your cells build everything you need.
First stop, ribosomes. Seriously, just think of them as tiny little 3D printers floating in your cells. They actually read chemical instructions to print out really special parts called proteins. It's so cool. Some of these printers just float around freely, while others are completely stuck to our next stop. Welcome to the rough ER. This spot acts just like a massive, winding, bumpy assembly line. Look super closely. It's incredibly bumpy here because it's literally covered in those tiny ribosomes. Right on this assembly line, those newly printed parts get perfectly folded into their final 3D shapes. Next up, the smooth ER. See? No ribosomes at all, so it looks totally smooth. So the rough ER folds proteins, while the smooth ER makes lipids and acts like a cleaning crew. Once everything's built, it needs to be shipped. That's where protective delivery bubbles called vesicles come in. Watch them go. They bud off, zoom along tiny tracks, and then pop to deliver the cargo. These little delivery bubbles keep your brand new proteins super safe while crossing the busy cell.
Just imagine how many billions of these microscopic factories are printing and shipping inside you right now.
If you totally loved this tour, hit like on this explainer. Subscribe for more science and stay curious.